streets of Sant'Agata Bolognese to the deafening straits of Monza, Lamborghini has unleashed a new predator. This is the Revuelto, the 1001 horsepower V12 hybrid that's rewriting the rulebook for supercars. It's more than metal and machinery. It's the sound of tradition colliding with the future. One glance is enough to know this is not a redesign. This is a reinvention. Up front, Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED DRLs cut sharp lines into the night. The front splitter is pure carbon fiber, channeling air with surgical precision from the side. Every crease has a purpose-slicing wind, feeding those hungry side intakes. The scissor doors rise skyward, like the wings of a fighter jet preparing for takeoff. At the back, an active wing and an enormous diffuser dominate, framed by hexagonal exhaust tips spitting blue flames at full throttle, and inverted scandal with gloss black accents. It's as if the paint itself is daring you to keep looking. Beneath the glass, the heart of the beast beats louder than ever. 600 milliliter, naturally aspirated V12, screaming all the way to 9,500 RPM. But this time it's joined by 3 electric motors. The result? 1,001 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. A top speed beyond 217 miles per hour. The instant torque from the electric motors fills every heartbeat between gear changes, while the V12 roars like it's defying extinction. On the straights, the acceleration feels endless. In the corners, the precision feels supernatural. Step inside, and you're no longer in a car, you're in a cockpit. The driver gets a dedicated digital display with every performance stat imaginable. The passenger, their own interactive screen to monitor speed, music, or navigation. In the middle, a central touchscreen handles everything from climate to drive modes. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and punishment, heated, ventilated, and bolstered for high G corners. And there's the signature Lamborghini Start button under a red flip cover, daring you to ignite the storm. This isn't just brute force, it's controlled chaos. 4 main drive modes transform the Revuelto's personality. Corsa for full attack mode on the track, and EV City mode where the V12 rests, and you move silently on electric power alone. Thanks to the 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox, shifts are lightning fast. Gone is the single-clutch brutality of the Aventador. This is Lamborghini power, refined for the future. The Revuelto surprises in ways past Lambos didn't. A front-end lift system clears speed bumps without grinding carbon fiber. Cameras and parking sensors make navigating tight spaces far less stressful. The Lamborghini Revuelto is proof that evolution doesn't have to mean compromise. A hybrid without apology. A V12 without dilution. The question is, in a world racing towards silence, would you choose a future that still screams? Tell me in the comments. And if the sound of 9,500 RPM still gives you chills, you know what to do.